Hello grade 2, welcome again. Today we are going to complete unit 3 of to school, and we have today nice and different words. So let's start. We have here some orders. We use it in the classroom, like, repeat after me please. Stand up please. Sit down please. Write your name, listen to the CD. Draw a picture of yourself.
Reading.
Now it's reading and listening time. Let's watch this video together.
In the classroom. Look and read. This is my school in Suez. We go to school early. We sit down to start our lessons. We listen to our teacher, Mrs. Hadir. It's time for our art class. I draw 2 trees and a flower. We stand up and say goodbye to our teacher. We go home at 2:30 p.m. At 6 o'clock, I do my homework.
Now let's open our books to answer some questions. We have here in the classroom. Number 1, look, listen and read. Read with me please. This is my school in Suez. We go to school early. We sit down to start our lessons. We listen to our teacher, Mrs. Hadir. It's time for our art class. I draw 2 trees and a flower. We stand up to say goodbye to our teacher. We go home at 2:30 p.m. At 6 o'clock, I do my homework. Let's move to the next part. Number 2, we have here, write about yourself. This is my school in Aswan. I start school at 7 o'clock. I space to my teacher. I listen to my teacher. I like to draw flowers. In my art class, at space I go home at 3 p.m. "3 p.m. means afternoon. Let's move to the next page. We have here, like we said, some orders. Number 1, listen, read, and number. We have here number 1, stand up please. Number 1. Number 2, sit down please. Number 3, write your name. Number 4, listen to the CD. And number 5, draw a picture of yourself. Next part, write in the correct order. We have number 1 here. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Number 2, sit down, please. Sit down, please. Number 3, 4, and 5, we will copy these sentences in this space or this part. Next part we have here sh sound. S and H make the sound sh, 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 like sharpener. Again, repeat after me, please. Sharpener. Shark. Again, shark. Shop. Shop. Sheep. Sheep. Shirt. Shirt. T-shirt. T-shirt. Fish. Trash. Read and notice the AR sound. A and R make the sound like shark, sharpener, and car. We have here words from 1 syllable and 2 syllable and 3 syllable. Let's notice together.
One syllable. Shark, shop, sheep, shirt, fish, trash, car. Syllables. 2 syllable, t-shirt. 3 syllable, sharpener.
Thank you. Let's move again to the book. Number 1, write SH or sh sound. We have here picture number 1. We have here fish, fish, sharpener. Right, SH, sharpener. Picture number 3, shark. This is shark. Number 4, trash. 5, shop. Shop. And number 6, sheep. Sheep. Let's read it again. Repeat after me, please. Fish, sharpener, shark, trash, shop, sheep, number 3, read and circle AR, then say. We will put a circle around AR, like shark. Where is AR? Right here. Number 2, sharpener, AR. Number 3, car, AR. Let's say it again. Shark, sharpener, car, look and write, then say. We have here some words like fish, sharpener, shirt, car, shark, t-shirt. Number 1, we have here sharpener. We write here sharpener, then we make the mark sharpener on the sharpener. Number 2, picture number 2, we have here fish or shirt or car or shark or t-shirt. Of course, car. Number 3, t-shirt. Number 4, fish. Number 5, t-shirt and fish. We have here shirt and shark. Number 5, shirt or shark? Of course, shark. And number 6, shirt. Read and sort. We will write here word from one syllable like fish and car, shark, and shirt. Shirt. 2 syllables like t-shirt, t-shirt. 3 syllables like sharpener. Sharpener. And now we have many jobs and characters. They help us at school to do different things. Let's have some example. Number 1, we have
A carpenter. He makes tables and chairs for school.
a carpenter makes table and chair for school. Number 2,
2. A nurse. She makes me healthy for school.
a nurse makes me healthy for school. Number 3,
3. A gardener. He looks after the school garden.
like we see in our school, a gardener. A gardener looks after the school garden.
4. A cleaner. He cleans the school. B. 1.
And now let's move to our books. Sorry. Number 1, we have here look, listen, and complete. We have here nurse, gardener, carpenter, and cleaner. Picture number 1 we have here a carpenter. A carpenter makes tables and chairs for school. Number 2, who is she? She's a nurse. So, a space makes me healthy for school. A nurse. Number 3, a space looks after the school garden. A gardener. And number 4, a space cleans the school. A cleaner. And now we have different and lovely shapes. That shape the carpenter can make it from the wood. Let's know these shapes and know their name. Let's watch this video together.
A carpenter is very clever. He can make wood into many different shapes. Shapes: cone, cube, spheres, pyramids, cylinder.
Now let's move to the book. Listen, read, and match. A carpenter is very clever. He can make wood into many different shapes. Can you match the shapes with their names? We have here number 1, this is a cone. Where the cone? Letter C. Number 2, this is a cube. We can play with it. Where the cube? Letter A. So we will match number 2 with letter A. Number 3, these are spheres. They look like plants or football. So where's spheres? Letter P. We will match number 3 with letter B. Number 4, these are pyramids. All of us know the pyramids. So number 4 with letter E. And number 5, this is called a cylinder. Where's cylinder? Letter D. We will match number 5 with letter D. Next page. Read and match. The boy says, "It's your watch." Where is the watch? The watch is belong to the girl. The boy says to, they're my boots. Where are the boots? The boots belong to the boy. The girl says, they're my hats. The hats belong to the girl. It's your what? It's your t-shirt. The t-shirt is belong to the boy. Number 2, look and color by numbers. This part, we will color it at home. Next page. Look, read, and write. We have here some words like draw, listen, paint, sit down, stand up, and write. Number 1 we have here stand up. Number 2, I space a picture. I draw a picture. Number 3, I space my homework. I write. The W here is silent. I write my homework. Number 4, I space a picture. I paint. Paint like color. I paint equal I color. Number 5, I sit down. And number 6, I space to my teacher. I listen to my teacher. And now we are finished. See you soon. Goodbye.